Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Alright guys, today is a very special video because it is my very first collaboration, and that is with Madison Reed Hair Color. Their team reached out to me a couple weeks ago and wanted to know if they could send me one of their at-home hair color kits, and of course your girl said yes. It was total coincidence because I was actually getting ready to color my hair that weekend and they reached out to me about 2 days before the weekend, and here we guys are. I can't believe I'm sitting down to film this video, and thank you so much Madison Reed for reaching out to me and for sending me one of your hair color products. So in case you are unfamiliar with Madison Reed, they are a at-home hair color system. They are sold at Ulta Beauty, and of course on their website they have a wide array of shades and tones to choose from, and they really do a great job as far as helping you get that perfect match, that perfect hair color that we all want, but we all can't afford to pay big bucks for. The Madison Reed hair color system is a very affordable line of hair color products. For the kit that I am using, it retails for $22 on their website. So in the box that they sent me, I got everything I needed to get the perfect at-home hair color. You get all of the standard products such as the cap, the gloves, the shampoo, the conditioner, and of course, the actual color itself. They also include a color or a skin color protection cream. It's something that you put around the perimeter of your face. You actually put it on your skin, not in the hair, but that's to protect your skin from any staining or any fallout that could occur from the hair color. They also send you a little pad for removing any hair color that might have fallen on maybe your hands or your neck. The hair care color kit that I used from Madison Reed is free of a lot of key ingredients that we don't want anywhere near our hair that can damage our hair. And I'm going to read that off of my phone so I don't miss anything. It's free of ammonia, PPD, parabens, phthalates, gluten, SLS, titanium dioxide. What it does have that does help to condition and strengthen our hair and to protect our hair is keratin, argan oil, which I am a huge fan of argan oil, and ginseng root extract. I also want to point out that Madison Reed is cruelty-free. Before you purchase your at-home Madison Reed hair care color system, I recommend going directly on to their website because they have this really awesome shade finder assessment, and it's really going to allow them to really do all the work for you. You're just going to go through and answer the questions that it has there, and they are going to best match you with a shade and tone of hair color that's going to be absolutely complementary to your features. And if you do plan to purchase something from MadisonReed.com, I encourage you to use the discount code that they did send my viewers. The code is Steff's Beauty, and with that you can receive 15% off your first order and free shipping. Just so you guys know, I make no money off of this discount code. It is all for you guys to save money on your next at-home hair color kit. The shade that Madison Reed sent me is Ravello Blonde. So let's get started with applying this Madison Reed at-home hair color system. The instructions say to leave this on for 35 minutes and an extra 10 minutes if you are trying to cover stubborn grays. Thank God I don't have too many grays. I just have a few in the front. So I'm gonna leave this on for a good 35 minutes and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how it looks. We'll rinse it off and then we'll see the finished results with this new Madison Reed hair color. Hey guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I washed it and conditioned it. But so far it looks nice. It feels really soft and that's what I like. Like I can run my fingers through it. There really was no strong scent. And comparing that with the first ever box dye I used a few months ago, that had an incredibly strong scent. This Madison Reed did not. So let me get my blow dryer out. Let's start blow drying this hair. That way we can see the full effect of the color. So before I start to blow dry, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Not Your Mother's All-in-One Hair Protector. What do you guys think? I really like the way the color turned out. I think there's some nice dimension going on in the shade. I think you can see a little bit of highlights and lowlights in there. And to be honest, guys, it reminds me so much of my natural hair color, which is like a golden, dirtyish blonde. But this has a slight little red tint to it, which I do like. So far, guys, I'm very pleased. So I'm just gonna run a flat iron through my hair real quick, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts on the Madison Reed hair color. Alright guys, so let me give you all my final thoughts on the at-home hair color kit from Madison Reed. First off, I have to say that I love the way my hair feels. It feels soft, it feels tangle-free, it just feels lightweight, it feels manageable, and I can't stop touching it. I like the way it feels. Also, I don't have that hair dye smell. And another thing that I want to point out is while I was doing the actual hair coloring, it really didn't even have an odor, guys. It wasn't until probably the end when I was finishing up and getting ready to put on the cap is when I actually noticed the aroma of the hair dye. But to be honest, guys, in comparison to the other box dye that I've used in the past, this was not bad at all. Like it was totally manageable. Guys, just so you know, this is only the third time in my whole life that I myself color my hair. I have been going to get my hair done or professionally colored, I would say, for the last 6 years. I waited until I was in my early 30s to start coloring my hair. And to be honest, guys, this is pretty much my natural hair color. The shade is called Ravello Blonde. I love, guys, how easy it was to apply. I felt like the product just really went on very easily to the hair, and I was able just to use my fingertips to kind of comb it through, and it adhered to every strand of hair. It covered the little grays that I had here in the front, which I didn't have many, but it colored what was there. And I absolutely love the dimension that it gave to my hair, the shine, the body. I really loved it. It's been a totally different experience than the first at-home hair color kit that I used back in September, October, and I documented that as well. So I'll leave that video linked in the description box so you guys can check out my very first at-home hair color video or hair color experience. But in looking at that hair color experience and in looking at this hair color experience, everything was just totally different, and you get what you pay for in this Madison Reed hair care color kit. You actually feel like you're doing something good for your hair. The hair doesn't feel over processed. It doesn't feel damaged. It doesn't feel dry or frizzy or anything like that. It just feels healthy. And I mean, how many people can say that after they color their hair, that their hair feels healthy? So I thought that was something really great. That was probably one of my biggest takeaways from this whole Madison Reed experience, is that I felt like I was doing something good for my hair. I loved all of the extra things that they included in the kit. For example, the skin protecting cream that I applied to the perimeter of my face. They also included 2 pairs of gloves. They also included a dye removal, a little pad that you can use anywhere on the skin where you might have gotten hair color fall. So those are the little details that make all of the difference. Also, that it's free of ammonia. It's free of a lot of the harsh chemicals that can damage our hair. That's another reason why I felt really comfortable, really good about using the Madison Reed hair care color on my own hair. So what are your thoughts, guys? Have you used Madison Reed before? Do you plan to use Madison Reed? Sound off in the comments below. Don't forget, guys, if you plan to order something from MadisonReed.com, use the discount code SteffsBeauty to save 15% off and receive free shipping on your first order. Again, I make zero money off of that coupon code. It's all for you guys to save. So I hope you take advantage of that. Thank you so much, Madison Reed, for reaching out to me. You guys don't understand. I am such a small channel, and to have a big, amazing brand like Madison Reed reach out to me and want to collab with me, that means everything to me. I am so excited. I am so happy to have been able to do this video for you guys. So I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. It'll help your hair stay shiny and pretty. And I will see you all real soon. Bye.